Hello, my name's Julian, and my video today will be explaining and exploring the voltage divider rule. Based on Ohm's law formulated by George Simon Ohm in the 1820s, it's a fundamental circuit analysis method in electrical engineering. Imagine a circuit like this, containing a voltage source V1 and three resistors R1, R2 and R3 in series. We want to find the voltage across R2. That's where the voltage divider comes in. The voltage divider rule states that the voltage across any resistor in a series circuit is equal to the ratio of its internal resistance to the total resistance in the circuit, multiplied by the source voltage, stated by the equation voltage across R2 equals R2 divided by total circuit current times source voltage. Inputting these values from our circuit into this equation, where R1 equals 10 ohms, R2 equals 20 ohms, R3 equals 30 ohms, and the source voltage is 12 volts. So VR2 equals 20 ohms divided by the total resistance given by R1 plus R2 plus R3, all multiplied by our source voltage, 12 volts. This should result in a potential difference across R2 of 4 volts. To check our answer, we can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to the circuit, which states that the algebraic sum of all the voltage differences around any closed loop is zero, or in other words, all voltages in the circuit added should amount to the source voltage. We can test this by finding the voltage across both R2 and R3 by once again using voltage divider, as we can see. The voltage across R1 is equal to R1, which is 10 ohms, divided by the total resistance and multiplied by 12 volts to give 2 volts. As calculated earlier, voltage across R2 is 4 volts, and voltage across R3 is 30 ohms over total resistance, also multiplied by 12 volts to give 6 volts. Adding these three voltages together equates to 12 volts, which is our source voltage, therefore proving that R2 does in fact have a potential difference of 4 volts across it. The key points to take away from this lesson is that voltage divider simply states that the voltage across any resistor in series or a closed loop is equal to the ratio of its resistance to the total resistance multiplied by the source voltage, and can be checked using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.